In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Power BI Matrix. Open your Microsoft BI app on your desktop and head to one of your existing reports. Once you're in the report canvas, look to the Visualizations pane and select the Matrix visual. This will add a blank matrix to your page ready for data. Now let's populate it so it tells a meaningful story. In the fields well, drag your categories into the right buckets. For rows, add items like region and then product. This creates a hierarchy so you can see products grouped under each region. For columns, add time fields such as year and then month so your data flows across the top in a logical timeline. Finally, place your metric, like total sales, into values. You should now see numbers at the intersection of each row and column, giving you a clear matrix of performance. With the structure in place, let's make it readable. Select the matrix and open the format pane. Here, adjust font, color, and alignment to suit your audience. Increasing the font size for headers can make sections stand out, while a slightly smaller value font keeps the grid compact. Choose colors with enough contrast to keep totals legible, and use alignment to keep text and numbers neat, left-align text fields, and right-align numeric values for consistency. To make exploration easier, enable expand and collapse, shown as plus and minus icons. This lets viewers drill into regions to see products or roll them up for a higher level view, all within the same visual. Next, refine your totals. Use the subtotals controls to show or hide subtotals for rows and columns. If you need a cleaner look, you can toggle row subtotals or column subtotals off. If you keep them on, match their font, style, and color to your theme so totals stand out without overwhelming the data. For a polished presentation, go to the General section and turn on Title. Add a clear descriptive title that tells users exactly what they're looking at, such as sales by region and time period. Finally, head to Effects and choose a background color. A subtle background can add contrast and help the matrix pop, especially on busy report pages. That's it. You've built a matrix, organized the fields, refined the formatting, enabled expand and collapse, controlled subtotals, and added a title and background for a professional finish. Thanks.